Alright, we are going to change the front tire on this bike today. She's getting pretty bald. I got a parts bike. Peeled the tire off of that. It's in much better shape. Might be a little narrower even. I'll have to look at the sizes here, but got a tire for it. Now to get this bike in the air, get the fender off, get the brakes off, get the tire off. It's going to be fun. Okay. Start tearing this baby down. Fender off first. A little tight. Alright, now the brakes. Alright, now this axle nut. I don't have a big enough Allen for that, so a skidoo clutch puller fits in there. Alright. Jesus, that was tight. There she goes. Okay, now we gotta peel her off of there. Yeah, the one's a little narrower, but I don't think it'll matter. This one came off of a classic. This one's a Nomad. This one here is a 150 by 80 by 16, and this one's a 130 by 90 by 16. As long as they're both 16, that's all that matters. I got this weird little tire bead breaker thing that seems to work. I did the last tire and popped it down off the bead with it, so let's see if we can get this one apart with it. get this baby peeled off of here. Yes. Alright, the tire itself has a rotation and the rim has a rotation. I got both arrows facing this way, rim and tire. Should be able to slap it together. Put it on the bike, everything will rotate forward the way it should. I'm going to put a little bit of slippery dip stuff on here to make it go on a little easier. We're good. Probably should take the weights off this rim because they're not going to be right to the tire. We'll see if she shakes. That's all we can really do. Stay in there. Let me up in there, you son of a bitch. There she goes. Beauty. There's valve core back in her. Spray a little bit of stuff on this side. There she goes. Easy peasy. Let's get the air pressure gauge out. This tire's supposed to have in it. Usually it says here, oh right here, 49 psi cold. It's more than my fucking car holds. What we got? 20. Hopefully this gauge works. 630. It's 40. 45. 46, 47. Yeah, that's about 48 right there. So that's gonna call it there. That's good. Okay, let's get this front tire back on here. I did throw a little bit of grease on the bearings, so we're good there. Arrow facing forward, arrow facing forward. This is the way it goes on. That spacer's gonna fall out as soon as I go to put it on there. Let's get the one started first. Nope, not in there. There it goes. Okay. Tighten this baby down. About. Okay, that's tight. It's kind of where the forks are relaxed in that position, so it's probably where I should tighten it. That's tight. So take a look at these brake pads. Still good. Still good. I got a new set for them, but it doesn't need them yet, so we're good to go there. All right. Alright, there's the front tire. That wasn't that bad. I was kind of dreading it. It's pretty easy actually. Make sure them front brakes still work. Oh yeah. Alright, let's maybe we'll play around flopping some metal over.